Maybe it's time to look at that book my friend gave me on organization. I just can't afford to go to the hardware store every 2 days to find tools. Let's see what we got here.
Name your painful area.
Oh, that's easy. That's my workshop.
List 3 things you want to change.
Well, I want to be able to find my tools. I want to be able to get to the proper tool. I want my parts where I can get to them and not have to look through all my stuff.
How do you want your workshop to look and feel?
Non-cluttered, so I can just walk in and glance around and see my tools, see what parts I have without having duplicate half-inch wrenches.
When do you want this job completed?
I would like it by the end of the year. That'll give me about 6 weeks. December 31st.
Make your brainstorm list. Write down all the tasks that need to happen to make your vision come true.
First of all, I gotta get all the junk out of it. Get it clean, and then I gotta put up shelves and pegboards and electrical. Put a vacuum cleaner in there.
Now you have a vision and a to-do list. A vision, though, is just a vision. But a goal is a vision with a plan and a deadline. Develop your goals.
Well, all right. By December 31st, 2010, my storage container will be neat, well lit, organized, and secure. Yeah.
You know what you want and what you have to do. Now develop your timeline. If you want to change an area in your life, if you have a project that's been bugging you and you're finally ready to work on it, just follow the steps in my book, From Vision to Victory, a workbook for finding a simple path to an organized home. You can buy my book on my website, timespaceorg.com. Happy organizing!